Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from me, Mrs. Carleen.
And Mrs. Schultz. Today is Friday, December 6, 2019. At this time, please rise up, hand over your heart, and face the flag for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And now for the Texas Pledge.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
You may go ahead and sit down. So, the value and culture focus for today is Rattlers are respectful. Today, I would treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. We also have idea number 4, respect other students' comments, opinions, and ideas. Birthdays for today, we have one student in kinder, Sarai Tolkami. We also have a few students with birthdays this weekend. On Saturday, Nala Foster in 3rd grade, TJ Featherstone in kinder, and on Sunday, we have Andres Gonzalez in 3rd grade. Happy birthday, everyone. Some announcements. We have exams these coming couple of days. Make sure you are here in school every single day so that you can be successful on your tests this week. Please remember to use your strategies, and I'm sure everybody is going to hit the masters.
We also have some 1st and 2nd graders that we would like to shout out for their Dibble scores. We have Dylan Mendez, who read 108 words per minute. Congratulations. And also Sophia Martinez, who read 101 words per minute. Our 2nd graders, we had Adrian Diaz, who read 182 words per minute with 100% accuracy, and Camila Torres, who read 160 words per minute with 100% accuracy. Way to go.
Attendance for yesterday, we had a 97.7% attendance. So we met our goal of 97.5% by 0.2%. Way to go, everyone. Also, just a quick reminder, tomorrow we will have Saturday school, so we'll see you there tomorrow. Attendance. Just a quick reminder for the attendance challenge. Remember, you must be here every day in order to qualify for the raffle. Today is the raffle. Let's see who wins. Please say the Runberg Academy chant with me. Rattlers are respectful. Today I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today I will not give up.
And some of you yesterday were trying to guess who this teacher was, and if you guessed Miss Rash, you are correct.
So, make it a Fab Friday. Remember, the choice is yours.
And Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you and we always will. Have a wonderful Friday.